Hello everyone, I hope everybody you are fine. My dear friends, today in this video I am going to provide you script for morning assembly. So let's start. Friends, morning is an important time of day because how you spend your morning can often tell you what kind of day you are going to have. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Before starting today's assembly, I would like to introduce myself. I am Sakshi along with my classmates. We are from class 7s and we are standing here for today's morning assembly. Dear friends, as we know, prayer gives us hope and strength. So let's unite our voices in singing our school prayer, inviting divine blessings for the day ahead. So join your hands, close your eyes, and start the prayer. Next, dear friends, the national pledge is important because it teaches us about the discipline of a citizen. It also tells us to give respect to parents, teachers, and all the elders. So let's recite the national pledge of our country in one voice. For thought, friends, good and inspiring thoughts can spice up our day. Reading or listening new thoughts in the morning works like a fire, which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So, to inspire with a thought, I would like to call Ria for news. You can invite like this. Uh, Friends, updating ourselves every day is a good and never ending habit. We should always have this type of habit which shows our awareness towards our society, towards our nation. Now I'm eager to invite Snehal and she will enlighten us with today's news for quiz or interactive activities. You can invite like this. Dear friends, quizzes help us to identify what we know and what we don't know. Quizzes are also a tool for assessing our knowledge and skills. So get ready to answer the questions on various topics. For asking questions, we would like to call Anushka. Please come forward. For inviting Maharashtra Git. As Maharashtrians, we are blessed to have a rich heritage and culture that we must preserve and pass on to future generation. So, dear friends, be ready to sing a Maharashtra Git. For national anthem, dear friends, the national anthem of our nation makes us proud, unifies us, reminds us of our heritage, promotes patriotism, and gives us sense of direction. So let's stand together to show respect towards our nation through the national anthem. After for assembly dispersal, dear friends, before the conclusion of today's assembly, I would like to thank everyone who participated in today's morning assembly. Your contributions made it a success. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Thank you so much to everybody once again. Assembly disperse, go to your respective classes. Thank you.